Alright, you guys, about to get in the shower. I just woke up, literally. So I probably should turn this on. Ah. Alright, you guys, so we're trying the Big Arch sandwich, and we made it a medium meal. So we got a medium fry, and we got this sandwich here. It comes with arch sauce, lettuce, pickle, and cheese, and I guess that's ground beef. So yeah. Then we have what is this, a sundae? I just asked for ice cream because I think if you get like hot fudge, it's way too much sugar. But yeah, and then we have like the sweet and sour sauce for the fries. And then we have like this, I think it's a root beer, I'm not too sure. But yeah, we're just at McDonald's and we're about to try this sandwich. All right, so we just tried the Big Arch. I rate it probably a solid 6 out of 10. I really didn't like it, but we still got our sundae, so about to head over there to the truck stop. Dispatch is still playing. They got a Wendy's over here, Speedway, McDonald's. So across the street as safely as possible because these people out here be driving wild, I'm telling you. I ain't gonna lie, I was not feeling good, so I got some ice cream. I kind of feel better. Like, I've been sick for like the past week. So I don't really feel that good. I woke up this morning, I grabbed a shower, and I was waiting for dispatch to get back to me, but they never got back. So I just took a nap, and then I woke up and it was lunchtime, and I grabbed some food from McDonald's. So yeah, I'm on my way back to the truck right now. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys with something when I get updated. All right, you guys, so we gotta check the load just to make sure like it's secured and everything like that, which it should be. The lock is on here and the seal is on here too, so we should be good to go and T-call this load. The only thing is I parked in reserved parking last night and I didn't pay $20 because that's how much parking normally is. What's up, YouTube? So we're waiting in line for our truck wash. We have one driver in front of us and we're the next in line to get a tractor wash. I just want to wash the outside of the tractor. After that, we're going to be on our way to the terminal to T-call this load. I have to go in and talk to my driver leader about if I'm going to get another load or not. So yeah, we're just waiting in line, and hopefully it doesn't take that long because they leave at 5 o'clock. I have like 4 hours and 39 minutes left on my drive clock, and I don't know, it's Friday and I was just like, I never got a truck wash before, so why not get a truck wash? And I'm only like 21 minutes away from the terminal, so hopefully they don't charge that much. It seems like a small truck stop. I don't know if they get a lot of business or not here, but hopefully we can get in and get out. You guys, I tried that Big Arch sandwich, and like I said, I give it a solid 6 out of 10 simply because, I don't know, it really doesn't have that much flavor to the sandwich. Like, it has sauce, has those crunchy onions on the sandwich, and lettuce, pickle, salt and pepper. So I don't know, I definitely recommend trying the Big Arch if you are a fan of McDonald's. You know, fast food is pretty much all we have as truckers, so I was just like, why not? It was lunchtime, so I just went over there and tried the sandwich. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We did get fuel. We got $394.48 worth of fuel, which is a total of 64.9 gallons of fuel. So that's how much fuel they told me to put into the truck. So we'll see once we get back to the terminal what they have to say. So stick around, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. So I'm guessing it's called the Eagle Truck Wash. They have 10 locations worldwide, open 24 hours. They have a vacuum, but I'm not going to use the vacuum today because I just don't have the energy to vacuum this tractor out. But they're washing the trailer right there, and I'm just simply waiting for them to say I can move forward. I don't know how long it usually takes. It probably takes like 30 minutes depending on what they're doing. So hopefully we can get in and get the tractor wash. So I don't know if they want to wash or work today. family. So in the previous clip, I was riding back to the terminal. I did grab a bike, and I also grabbed a bike pump just in case, you know, my bike tires go flat. So I have this bike pump. It only costs me like $20. Sorry if you can't really hear me that well, but it also has like a ball pump on it as well. So I got this. I just gotta take the zip tie off, and I think it's like, hold on, take it like that. You can just pump air into your tires. So if you guys actually enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Also, it's a Blackburn ball and tire pump. So, and I got this from Walmart. But yeah, we're about to start our next load, so I'll see you guys in the next video.